Before you start editing your AI-generated product pages, there's one important thing to understand about how product templates work in Shopify. A small change in the wrong place can affect more products than you intended. No worries though, I'll show you the right way to edit your products, what to avoid, and how to quickly fix it if you ever need to. Alright, here is a product page that I generated with AI from my store. Let's say that I want to change something on this page. Maybe the product description or one of these images in the sections below. The correct way to do this is to go to the Shopify product editor. So I'll open this product in Shopify, and here's where I can edit everything specific to this product. The title, the description, the images, and even the images that appear in these product-specific sections. All of that is controlled right here through Metafields. This is the safe zone. When you edit here, you're only changing this one product. Nothing else gets touched. But here's where some people mess up. Let's say you're looking at your product page and you think, well, I want to change this image. So you go to the Shopify theme editor and you try to change it there. I'm in the Shopify editor right now, looking at the product page template. I see this section with an image and I think, well, perfect, I'll just swap this one out. See this image? It's pulled from a dynamic source, a Metafield. That means each product shows its own unique image here. Let's say that I don't realize that and I want to replace it with a static image. I'll pick this one, hit save, and check the product page. Okay, it looks good. The image changed. Mission accomplished, right? Well, wrong. Watch what happens when I go to another product. Oh no, that same image is showing up here as well. And if I check another product, yep, same image. So what just happened? Here's the thing. I didn't edit the product. I edited the product page template. And this template is used by multiple products. So when I swapped the dynamic image for a static one, I forced every product using this template to show the same image. That is not what I wanted. I wanted to change one product, but I changed all of them. This is the most common mistake people make. And honestly, it's easy to do so if you don't know the difference between editing a product and editing a template. So how do I fix it? That's simple. I go back to the Shopify theme editor, I click on that section and remove the static image. Now click this little icon here, that's the dynamic source button, and it'll show you all of the available metafields you can connect to this section. Since this is an image section, it only shows metafields that contain images. I just need to reconnect it to the right one. This section is the image with text section, so I'll link it back to the correct metafield. I click save, I refresh the product page, and there you go. Each product is now showing its own unique image again. Problem solved. Let me make this super clear. If you want to edit product-specific information that was generated by AI, like text, images, benefits, FAQs, anything that's unique to one product, always use the Shopify product editor. That's where all of your product data lives, including the images used in those dynamic sections. The Shopify theme editor is mainly layout and structure. It's where you change how your product pages look, not what they say. If you edit content there, you're editing the template, which means you're changing it for every product that uses that template. So here's your rule of thumb. If something suddenly changes on all of your products, it's because you made a template level edit. And the fix is to go back to the theme editor and reconnect that dynamic source. That's it. Now you know what not to do, and more importantly, how to recover if you accidentally do it. So go forth and edit with confidence.